Oh my, look at this. What are you doing here? He's our next door. Belgium. How much do you know about this country? For me, just waffle.
比利時裏面嘅窩夫都有分幾款嘅喎，咁窩夫係分為呢個布魯塞爾窩夫啦、獵人窩夫啦，同埋呢個遊客窩夫嘅。咁但係佢真係大份，佢多士多啤梨，同埋啲 cream 好似唔使錢咁樣。
And Mandarin paste.
但係據說咧，其實尿尿小龍就唔止得一個嘅。
So maybe we can find out more this time.
布魯塞爾嘅日常啊，大家留唔留意到嗰個紅綠燈係有啲咩問題發生咗咧？咁呢間餐廳嘅特色咧就係食呢個。我哋嘅乜餸你將我哋睇。根據我嘅經驗咧，有好多 delay 嘅情況出現，因為我承受唔到呢個 miss 車嘅風險啊嘛。
Wanna go? Non-pater.